Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. Dear student, as you know that school is closed due to cold, we do care for and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated for coming upcoming examination, I am here with a revisional videos of social study. So, my dear students, look here. First of all, today we are explain chapter 12 direction. What picture is? This is directional. East, west, east, west, north, south. Okay. East, west, north, south, four main direction. Okay, students, look here, compass. Look here, this is your compass. So first you write here north opposite, north opposite south, east opposite west. Okay, students, so first of your directions. Chapter 12 directions. Let us do it. Let's help and reach home. Help and reach her home. Follow the directional word. So first east. Okay. Direction go left, go down. Go straight, left, right, down, go. You are home. Okay, students. Directional word. Use the directional word like left, right and front of, in front of and behind. Give people directional to a place using direction words. Name the different conditional directions north, south, east and west. Use the position of the rising sun to find directions. Okay. Directions help us find someone or some things by giving us their position by showing as a position toward which we must move. It also tells us where things are located in relation to something else. Okay. We use directional word like left, right, straight, ahead, behind and in front of you to give directions. Look at the example below. Here directional words are used to describe where students sit in the class. Okay? Study the picture. We also need directional. We also need directions to go for one place to another. Suppose, for example, at school, a new students want to find the bathroom. You could not tell him to go straight ahead and take off left to reach the bathroom. Some directions are fixed. These are north, south, east and west. They are the four main directions of the earth. We can use two positions of the sun in the sky to find directions. Every morning the sun rises in the east and in the evening it sets in the west. It sets sun in the west. Okay. We use two letters N, S, E and W to show each of these four directions. N means north, S means south and E means east and W means west. We can also use a compass to find the directions to needle. The needle of the compass always positioned toward the north. Okay? A compass show use directions. The oldest and simplest types of compass was made around 2000 years ago in China. Directions help us find someone or some things by giving us their position or by showing us the position toward which we must move. We use directional words like left, right, straight, ahead, behind, and in front of to give directions. There are four main directions of the earth. They are fixed. These are north, south, east, and west. We use the position of the sun to find the main directions. We can also use a compass to find the directions. The needle of a compass always position toward the north. Now come to the exploring new word. Direction. The place or the position where something or someone is located, or the path along which an object is moving, or the position toward which an object faces. Once again, direction, the place or the position where something or someone is located, or the path along which an object is moving, or the position toward which an object faces. Ahead, forward, behind, at the back toward, at the back or toward the back, at the back or toward the back. Compass, a tool used to find the main direction. A tool used to find the main direction. Okay, now next, filling in the blanks. Next exercise number 1, filling the blanks. So first one, directions give us the dash of things. Direction give us the dash of things. Position, POSITION, position. Okay, directions give us the position of things. Now second one, we can find directions by looking at the position of the rising dash. We can find directions by looking at the position of the rising sun. SUN, sun. Okay. Now third one, the sun set in the dash. The sun set in the dash. West, WEST, west. The sun set in the west. Okay. Now fourth one, if you stand facing the rising sun, south will be to your dash. If you stand facing the rising sun, south will be to your right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. R-I-G-S-T. Okay. If you stand facing the rising sun, south will be to your right. Is that clear? Now second one, name the following. Name the following. So first one, two directional word dash. Two directional word dash. So right here, left, L-E-F-T, left, and right. Left and right. Okay. Two directional word, left and right. Now second one, the four main directions of the earth. The four main directions of the earth: east, west, north, and east, west, north, and south. S-O-U-T-H. Okay. East, west, north, and south. Now third one. A tool which help us find directions. A tool which help us find directions dash. A tool which help us find directions, compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. Okay. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. Okay students. If you did not complete it yet, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day students.